Let me get into the some of the things that are found here. One of them, obviously, the big one is going to be YouTube, right? Now, if I click YouTube, I have the ability to either paste a link in, or what I really like is you have the ability to, you know, search directly within here and find something from YouTube. So it's straight from their library. And what's kind of cool is when you click on the plus buttons, you can preview the video before you put it into your slideshow. So you just click that, and that's going to do a little preview for you to see, well, do I want to add that video? I don't quite know, so I'm just going to watch it first and see if that works. So let's say I'm looking through, I want to grab how World War One started. So we just click on that, it highlights, you can see the blue border there, and then hit add. And what I really like about this is you have the ability to watch it directly in here. So again, when you're delivering it to students, they're going to be going through this lesson and just watch it from there, as opposed to going to YouTube itself, and watching things from there. So, and then get sidetracked on the other various videos that are going on the side. So that's YouTube. You can check that out. Another one is Desmos, which is there's some it's like a graphing activity. So for those of you who teach math, right, this is a great one where you can either create this and do it together, or you could send it out as an individual worksheet, as I just showed with that wand, and allow students to graph on a slide using the Desmos extension there that's built in. Another great one is PhET Simulations for science folks that are out there. There's tons of different things on here. One that I like to always show is orbits, like the solar system is really cool. Again, you can play around with this and see like a preview of what that is. Look at the lab and go into it here, and then it allows students to play around with it. You do these little simulations, and then yeah, tons of stuff you could do with this. Um, and you can check out and see if there's something that's great for one of your lessons. But we just click it, we pull it in, it'll import, and then we've got that too, right? So you can kind of see, maybe we start with an introductory slide here, and then we have a video. Let's say it's about the solar system, and then we go into our PhET simulation, right? And you can kind of see how you can just, it is a blank slate, you build out as you go.